So how do you make YouTube Shorts longer than 15 seconds with music? I'm gonna show you what to do and how to make it happen so we can get past this music cutting off after 15 seconds. Coming up next. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and dive straight into it. Feel free to give this video a like and share it with someone, or subscribe to the channel also. It would greatly help me out. So if you're like me, you create YouTube Shorts, or you may even upload videos that are already in your phone and hoping that they get picked up by the YouTube Shorts shelf and, you know, pick up some traction. Along the way, you may want to add music to those videos. Now, we know that a lot of platforms are famous for 15-second videos, but a lot of us want videos that have music that lasts longer than 15 seconds. So let's go ahead and do a screen recording on my phone. I'm gonna show you probably what you're running into, and I'm gonna show you how you can fix or adjust that. So we are on my other page that I have. Feel free to subscribe if you will, if you want positive encouragement and inspiration. But let's go ahead and create a short. Click on Create a Short. And we are ready to make a short on this channel. I hope you are inspired today and encouraged, yada, yada, yada. And we hit stop, and you notice in the top right, it says 15 seconds or 60 seconds. When I hit 60 seconds, it gives me a ton of more space to make a video. So I stop right there. Now that basically tells you that you know it's longer than 15 seconds. What usually happens is we will go in and we will click an audio. I'll select this one right here. It's playing. Now, I'll stop it. You notice it says 6 minutes and 56 seconds. So a lot of us see that and we're like, oh man, it's gonna cover the whole song. And we select it, and usually after about 15 seconds, it cuts off. Let's see. It cut off. Okay, now I already know what you're thinking. Hey, why don't I hear your voice? That's a whole nother story. Usually you want to go to the next menu and then add the music, and then you can adjust the music in your voice. So this is how you get around that. What you want to do is make the video, download the video from your phone, put it in a third-party software program such as Final Cut Pro, iMovie, download the song that you want that's in the YouTube library, and put it on the audio file in the video software. All right, make that video, export it, get ready to upload it to YouTube. And when you go to the YouTube library, you still select that song, but you turn the volume all the way down. Once again, you download the video that you have just made to your phone, put it in a software such as Final Cut Pro or iMovie, download the song, and put that song in the audio section of the video editor. You know, once you're all done adding your bells and whistles or editing it to the size that you want, then you export that video back up into YouTube Shorts. So when you have that video in YouTube Shorts, you now go to find that audio in the Shorts library, and once you find it, you let it play, but then you turn it all the way down. This is telling YouTube that the audio that is playing on this short is legal and legit to be there. But you know that you have it now for a full minute or a full, well, actually we only have a minute that we can use. We get either 15 seconds or a minute. So it's telling YouTube that you legit have this audio for the full minute. Why? Because it's recognizing that it's also selected as an audio from the YouTube Shorts library, but turn it all the way down. I have done this about 8 or 9 times. I have not gotten any copyright strikes. Now, we can't monetize YouTube Shorts anyway, so there's no fear of, you know, me not being able to monetize that YouTube short, because we can't do that anyway. My whole goal is, a lot of us don't like when the audio cuts off after 15 seconds. Now, sometimes I still upload the videos anyway, because it is a lot of work. It can be a lot of work to make a video, download it, put it in the software, download the music, add it to a track, trim it, export it, then put it back into your phone so you can upload it as a YouTube short, find that audio in the library, turn that all the way down just to post it. it can be a lot of work. But if you are only uploading videos maybe once a week, you know, YouTube Shorts, maybe even twice a week, it's definitely worth it. I am sure that they will be revamping this whole music, you know, library for YouTube Shorts. They have to be, because on Facebook you can do it for a long time as far as the music. On Instagram you can do it for a minute, and on TikTok you can definitely do it for a minute, and some even longer. So YouTube Shorts, we already know it's one of the new platforms that has just jumped on this whole algorithm thing when it comes to trying to be like TikTok. All right, so that is how you would do it and get past it. I have been doing it for about 6 months. I have not gotten any copyright strikes. And I don't think I ever will and should, because I'm still selecting that same audio, but I'm turning it down, and you will still see that the creator and producer is getting credit for that audio being played and selected, should they be getting monies from it being streamed. All right, guys, so hopefully this helps you out and takes away any frustration or sadness of, you know, you thinking that you can't use an audio past 15 seconds. All right, comment below. Let me know, are you going to try this? Hopefully this helps you out. Subscribe to the channel once again if you haven't, and I will see you next time in the next video.